Let's make photo manipulation. Bring a background to stone and adjust it. Now bring a background of sky and adjust it. Apply color balance and exposure and adjust its values. Apply color balance and exposure on sky also. Bring a girl in PNG and adjust it. Now bring a moon in PNG and adjust it. Take new layer and brush on moon with white and put blend mode to hard light. Bring wings in PNG and adjust it. Apply color balance and exposure to girl and adjust its values. Clip new layer to girl and brush with white and put blend mood dot to soft light. Do the same with wings also. Take new layer and brush under the girl feet to give shadow. Now bring X in PNG and adjust it. Take new layer and brush with white and put blend mood to soft light. Take new layer and brush with white and adjust it with CTRL plus T. Now bring crown in PNG and adjust it. Now bring fur in PNG and adjust it. Thank you for watching.